I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the device is unlocked and connected. This prevents sync conflicts. Once done, open Settings and go straight to Accounts or Users and Accounts. That's where Play Store identities live. Make sure you recognize the exact Google account you plan to remove, check email address or profile photo, and pause any active Play Store downloads or subscription changes so they don't interrupt the removal process. You now select the Google account that's linked to the Play Store. Tap it, review the details so you're not removing the wrong identity, and choose Remove Account. When prompted, authenticate with your device PIN, pattern, or password. This is a security step to prevent accidental loss. After confirming, allow the device a moment to update app permissions and sync state. Some apps may prompt you to sign in again or lose saved data if not backed up. To finish, open Play Store and check that the removed account no longer appears. If it still shows, go to Settings Apps Google Play Store and clear cache and storage, then reopen. Make sure to reboot the device to finalize changes and refresh app listings. If problems persist, re-add the account, then remove it again via Settings, or as a last resort, use a safe factory reset after backing up. This resolves lingering account associations and sync errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.